Some people like the taste of sour foods. Lemons taste very sour.
Lemon. Don't choose the lemon soda.
Sugar has a sweet flavor. Pizza has a salty flavor.
Actually, it had a different flavor. Different. Flavor. Different. Flavor. Flavor. I like all kinds of ice cream, but
I'll order strawberry soda. And you?
water, juice, tea, coffee, soda, wine, and beer.
Coconuts grow on trees. A coconut is hard and brown on the outside.
Do they use them to break coconuts? Coconuts.
Juice.
Drinking soda makes you more thirsty. Make you more thirsty.
Soda.
Fine job.
Get more with Super Duolingo. Go ad-free and skip the interruptions to focus on your learning. Unlock unlimited hearts and make as many mistakes as you need. And you can target weaknesses in your practice hub with AI-powered practice sets based on your recent mistakes.